Hi girls, welcome. How are you doing today?
Really good.
Good. What about you?
Thank you so much for asking. I'm doing really well. So, do you remember what we did last time?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we started talking about friendships and different qualities of friends. So, can you tell me if you two are friends?
Yes,
Yeah,
we are
we are
friends.
That's really nice. And do you like each other?
Yeah, we like
yes.
Great. Can you maybe tell me, Sophia, can you tell me about Zona? Is she a good friend?
Yes, she is a really good friend.
Does she talk a lot?
Yes, she does.
Oh, okay, can you just give me a full sentence? She talks.
She does talk a lot.
Nice. And Zona, what about Sophia? Does she talk a lot?
Yeah, she talks.
So she talks a lot, or she's very chatty. Okay, she's very chatty. Can you tell me, Sophia, that Zona is chatty?
Zora is chatty.
Is she very chatty?
Yeah.
Can you ask her if she thinks you are chatty?
Do you think I'm chatty?
Yeah, I think.
Can you just repeat? I think
Chatty.
You are chatty. Good job. Do you think I'm chatty?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I'm very chatty, by the way. Okay, and can you tell me about your friend Sophia, Zona? Is she nice to people? Does she always say thank you? Does she hold the door for people? Is she nice like that?
Yeah, she's really nice.
So she's very polite, right?
Yeah,
Sophia is
very polite.
very polite. What about Zona, Sophia?
She is very polite too.
Nice, so you're both very polite. What about your mom, Sophia?
She's polite too.
She is polite too. But if you're not polite, if you don't say thank you, if you fight with your parents, you are very rude. Okay? Rude. Is Zona, are you rude?
I'm not rude.
And do you know someone who is rude?
I don't know.
Maybe some friends from school? Sometimes they can be.
Sometimes.
What about Vlada from school? Vlada can be.
Really rude.
Yeah. And can you ask Sophia about her dog? Can
Is your dog rude?
Sometimes.
My dog can be.
Rude sometimes.
Okay, nice. And can you tell me, do you know a person who you always have a great time with? You always have fun with this person. Do you have
Yeah.
someone like that?
Yes.
Who is it?
My friends.
Okay. What's your friend's name?
Well, Zona, Angela.
Okay, let's talk about Angela. Does Zona know Angela?
Yes.
Nice. So Angela is very laid back. She's very relaxed. Everything is cool. So she's very laid back. Can you tell me that Angela is very laid back?
She is sometimes
Okay, sometimes she is
laid back.
laid back. Can you ask Zona if she knows anyone who is very laid back?
Do you know anyone who's really laid back?
Great.
Angela is laid back, but I think I don't know anyone else.
Okay, thank you so much. And can you maybe tell me about, do you have a brother or a sister, Zona?
I have sister.
Can you tell me about your sister? Is she one of these things?
She's chatty,
Okay.
a little bit rude.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And laid back.
She is laid back? Is she polite?
Yeah.
Oh, most of the time she is
Yeah.
polite. And Zona, can you tell me about your cousin? Do you have cousins?
I do.
Okay. Choose one of them and tell me if they are chatty, if they're rude. What's the situation?
They're chatty
Okay.
and very polite.
Okay, nice. So they're not.
Rude.
Okay. Are they relaxed? Are they
Yes, they are laid back.
laid back? Very nice. Thank you. And do you know anyone who likes to go out, have fun? Do you? Do you like to go out? Do you like to go to the mall? Do you like to go to a party maybe, like a house party?
Oh, well, not really a party, but to the shopping mall and the park.
Okay, so you don't like to spend your time at home.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're very outgoing. Okay. Can you maybe tell me?
I'm very outgoing.
Okay. And can you ask Zona if she is outgoing?
Are you outgoing?
I am outgoing.
Okay, very nice. And sometimes I'm really happy, I'm excited, but the next minute I'm like, I'm bored, oh my god. So sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm not, and it goes like this. So I'm very moody, okay? I'm very moody. Do you know anyone who's very moody?
I'm moody sometimes.
Oh, you change your mood throughout the day. Okay. Can you ask Zona if she's moody?
Are you moody?
Sometimes, but not that much.
Okay. And Zona, does Sophia like to help people?
She likes to help people.
Okay. Does she, if someone is in a bad mood, does she feel that herself?
I think she feels that.
Yeah, I think she does too. And does she listen to other people's problems?
Yeah.
And she understands how they feel. She's very sympathetic. Okay? It's a long word. Maybe you can tell me sympathetic. Here it goes. So I'm very sympathetic. Yeah? Can you repeat?
You're very sympathetic.
I meant you. But okay.
I'm very sympathetic.
Oh, okay. And Zona?
She is sympathetic too.
She's sympathetic too. Yeah, you're a very nice girl. Very sympathetic. You're not rude. Okay. So let me ask you about some people in your lives. Okay, I have some questions for you here. So maybe Zona, you can take one of these and read the question.
Thank you. What kind of person would you tell a secret to?
What kind of person would you tell a secret to?
To the sympathetic.
Okay, very good. Good job, Zona. And Sophia, can you answer this one?
What kind of person would you take with you to a party? An outgoing one?
Good job, perfect. And Zona?
What kind of person would you go shopping with? With outgoing person.
Definitely. What about someone who's laid back, like very relaxed?
Yeah, I will.
You would potentially take a laid back person. Can you just repeat?
I'll lay back.
Okay, nice. And Sophia,
What kind of person would you ignore? A rude person?
Oh, you would ignore a rude person. That's a no-brainer. Thank you so much, girl. Can you maybe come up to the board and I'm going to draw like 2 circles like this. And this one has all the negative qualities. And this one has all the positive qualities, okay? So can you take these sticky notes with different characteristics on them and just put them in different circles, yeah? So maybe you can go one by one. I'm gonna move and you can do this, yeah? Maybe Zona, you can go first.
Okay.
Okay. And maybe pick one and tell us what the word is and put it in the right circle. What's the first one?
Chatty.
Okay, do you think that's a positive or a negative quality?
I think it's positive.
Definitely, yes. Stick it. Nice. Okay, Sophia, can you go? You can stay there, we can stay there.
Laid back.
Nice.
Positive.
Yeah, I think so too. And Zona, can you do the next one?
Yeah. Moody. That's like positive, but sometimes can be negative.
Yeah, let's put it in the negative one just to have something there. Yeah, it can be negative.
Polite is positive, definitely.
Definitely. Good job, Sophia.
Outgoing. I will take positive.
That's right. Thank you.
Rude is negative.
Definitely. Put it right there in the center. Zona?
Sympathetic.
Let's just say sympathetic.
Sympathetic.
Thank you.
And I will put it as
Wow, definitely. Good one. Okay. Is there anything else left?
No.
Okay, thank you so much, girls. You can go back. Okay. Can you tell me, Sophia, about your favorite actor or your favorite singer? And try to describe them using these.
Maybe my favorite singer.
Okay.
My
What's her
favorite
name?
singer is Ariana Grande.
Okay.
I would say she's outgoing, polite,
Yeah.
chatty, and sympathetic.
Very nice. Thank you so much for that. Zona, do you have a favorite actress or a favorite singer?
I don't have like favorite, but
Okay.
it can be.
Maybe it can be someone we all know. Do you have any ideas? It doesn't have to be someone you like. It can be just a famous person.
Billie Eilish.
Okay, sure, yes.
I think she's sympathetic,
Okay.
polite,
Polite. Polite.
polite,
Good job.
and
Is she moody sometimes?
I think so.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Zona. That's really nice. Okay.